Hey folks, I'm JT down at Heritage Toyota, and behind me is this beauty 2017 Toyota Prius Prime. Save you a ton of money when you go to the gas station. So one of the best features about this vehicle is the quad LED headlights. Gives you a lot more visibility, not to mention they last a lot longer. Also on this vehicle is a 15-inch alloy rim, helps prevent rust, again saving you more money. One of the great things with Toyota is they spent a ton of money to try to keep you safe. The car is fully loaded with TSSP, which comes with radar cruise control, lane departure alert, pre-collision system, automatic high beams, and there's tons to go over in them. One of the biggest questions with the Prius Prime is, how does it work? It's a regular Prius. It has your regular gas engine and it has your electric engine as well. But to go along with that, you have a secondary plug-in battery pack. Entrance is right here, push. You have a nice little plug right here. Secondary question to that is, how do I charge this thing? Do I have to come to a dealer? This comes with every Prius Prime. As you can see, it has your regular outlet plug, and then this end plugs into the car. So you can charge this anywhere. You can charge it in your garage, at home, wherever. It takes about 5.5 hours to fully charge. If you plug into a 240 volt outlet, it takes about 2 hours and 10 minutes to charge. You can plug it in all different charging stations all across the country. There's 28 of them scattered around Trenton County. If you do decide you want to put in a 240 volt plug in your house, the government also has tax rebates for you. It's fuel efficient, it's energy efficient, and it saves our environment. In the front screen, in the front of the vehicle, you have a ton of different things to go over. You can access the radio, you can access the climate control, you have a digital speedometer, you can access the safety features. It will also give you text message notifications. Everything from that screen you access off the steering wheel controls, basically making it safer for the driver because your focus is on the road in front of you and not playing around with the different screens all over the car. Thank you for watching. Again, I'm JT down at Heritage Toyota, and if you have any questions about this 2017 Toyota Prius Prime, just give us a call down at Heritage Toyota.